there everyone, my name is Scrollo and I'm bringing you an emergency Bitcoin update. Guys, I think that is one of the most important videos on my whole YouTube channel because Bitcoin actually crashed down to 30K. A lot of people were very frustrated about it and saying, oh, see, it's going down. Let me show you something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. So technically, we actually went down a tiny bit and then look, we got supported actually by this, and that used to be resistance and now it became support, and now the price is actually at like 31,400, and yes, it went offline because I'm actually on a private jet going shopping with my family and we are up in the sky, so that's why we don't have an internet. And guys, do you want me to show you some motivation in your life? We're going shopping, and you know how we're going shopping? Here, this is the money that I've taken just to go shopping. This is 30 kilo of dollars. This is $2.6 million in fucking cash. This is how you go shopping. But first, you learn how to trade properly. You actually call the moves real nice, and you've seen how Mr. Spot on is trading, so subscribe, hit that notification bell. And also join my free Discord channel. There is a link down in the description of this video. This is where I post all of my trades and the trades of my team. So, and then slowly but surely, with time and patience and practice, you can do the same with this kind of bag of cash on your private jet. So anyway, I know, because I don't want to show off, guys, just to show you that what is possible in the world of crypto. Anyway, so let's get to this. We're saying that it actually is bouncing off of it, but this isn't what I want to show you. What I want to show you is this right here. And by the way, there is a link to my education, trading education, which is one of the best in the world. And right now I'm doing a 40% discount. There is a link down in the description, and we already sold more than half of the seats. So jump on it right now. Now let's get to the content. And a lot of people, and this is most important, a lot of people are right now saying that the recession is coming, that the markets are going to crash, that everything, all of this is just a balloon, all of this is nonsense, etc. So let me prove them wrong for once. So let's look at the data, because there is this very interesting guy, Alex Kruger. You can find him on Twitter, and you can actually read everything that he has written on this topic. So let me go you. He actually goes through all the pros and cons of the current situation, shows the reality, and then the backdrop of the supposed reality, and then what's coming, what actually is the reality. So let me show you. So here it says that a recession is imminent, risk assets are expensive, and stocks are always bottom during the leveraging driven recessions, whatever. A major crash inevitable. The answer is not really. And here he actually takes a look at all the reasons why people are saying that the recession is coming. I'm not gonna bore you to death. You can find him. This is Alex Kruger. So, almost like Freddy Krueger. So he talks about all these points and why all the haters and naysayers actually say that the recession is coming. Like, for example, this, that stocks are expensive by many metrics, and there are so many metrics that show that the stocks are expensive. But after you look at all these 12 points, he actually says dramatic pause and explains why all of this makes no sense. And he's exploring the other side of the coin and actually debunks all of it. And he goes into detail into very interesting stuff. And economists and analysts actually lowered their forecast in response, leading to one of the most important drivers of equity performance this year, economic activity consistently surprising to the upside. So that the economic activity actually is going up. So, and then etc. I don't want to bore you to death with all of it. You can actually go here and check it out. What is most important in his analysis, that he's talking about AI. That AI could replace up to 25% of the current employment in the developed countries. So what he's saying about AI is that it's going to be such a huge market that actually it can pull the stock market much, much higher, even if there's going to be a recession. And he also talks about the fact that right now there's supposedly a recession in Europe, but look at DAX. DAX is at an all-time high because of, and there's a very good reason why, and it's always right here. So it's also in here. So guys, watch this video till the end, and we're going to get to the main juice, so to speak. Now, also, he talks about Fed and that it almost is finished with hiking the rates. So the main reason for risk assets to crash in 2022 was the Fed's tightening cycle. The Fed has delivered 25 basis point rate hikes into the fastest and most aggressive hiking cycle in history. So the Fed is almost finished with its hiking. So there is no fear from this. And in general, what is really the craziest, I think I opened it separately. Yes, the craziest part is part number 29. And part number 29 is this right here. The positioning is cash heavy. According to the ICI, money market funds hit record of 5.4 trillion, while institutions hold 3.4 trillion as of June of 28th, and roughly 2% above the prior highest levels on record, which happened in May of 2020. So, and it was the darkest point of the pandemic. So if you imagine how much money there is in the market right now that is actually on the sidelines, ready to be deployed, it's crazy. Where do you think all the money went that was printed by Fed? It's still out there, guys. You have to understand these facts. So in general, TLDR is here. Everyone is bearish, but the recession has been front run. AI revolution is real. The Fed is almost done and the market is cash heavy, is what I just discussed. We see no reason for changing our bullish stance, which we have held for all of the 2023. The trend is our friend. And I'm so inclined to agree with them, especially when the banking sector is collapsing. When it was collapsing and the banks were closing, Bitcoin was going up. So the narrative is there. Bitcoin is decoupled from all the high-risk assets. We're seeing liquidity coming from China, Hong Kong opening up, creating their own stable coin. Halving is coming up, guys. There's just an incredible amount of stuff that is happening. That's why Bitcoin price is so damn resilient. That's why, you know, on some really bad news, we just dropped down a bit, and that's about it. We're not going any lower. So it just shows a lot. The only thing that he points out that what could potentially go wrong, and let me show you what could go wrong to actually diminish everything I'm talking about in this video. The market is estimating a 25 to 35 probability of a recession in US. A market crash would require an information shock, such as significant deviations in inflations, PMIs, adverse geopolitical developments, or a dismal earnings season for big tech, or some black swan event, whatever. This is it. If this doesn't happen, then I think we should be stacking up on Bitcoin like no tomorrow. And I keep buying Bitcoin. I mean, I know I have $2.6 million in cash with me to go shopping, but guys, I own millions of dollars of Bitcoin. I don't want to disclose how much, but a lot. I've made good money in my life, and I'm putting 50% of it into crypto. A lot. So, and also here is another piece of news that is just insane. Twitter receives money transmitter licenses in 3 US states. And if this isn't crazy, look at this. BlackRock CEO Larry Finn sees Bitcoin as digitizing gold. Larry Finn, the actual CEO of BlackRock, which is one of the biggest asset managers out there in the world, he was always hating on Bitcoin. But now, as they're applying for spot Bitcoin ETF, which they will get, and the actual floodgates of institutional money and sovereign wealth fund, etc., trillions and trillions of dollars will be enabled for crypto. Insane stuff. And now, Larry Finn himself, they managed 10 trillion. Guys, 10 trillion comes out and says that Bitcoin is digital gold. If this is not enough for you, and if you want to live like this, to be with a babe like this, to have a bag like this, like right here, to have a watch like this, maybe to travel like this is the time to be stacking up on crypto, on Bitcoin, Ethereum. In the watch my previous video, I told you that I've reduced my Ethereum stake a bit because I went really heavy on it. I reduced it a bit because of the current issue with the staking thing. So I sold a bit of Ethereum, I put it back into Bitcoin, and that's about it. So in this video, and that's why I cannot really show you the current chart because there is no internet, but I'm expecting, even if it's gonna go to the downside a bit, it can go in fucking circles. But I know that Bitcoin has only way up, while this crap right here, the only thing that this is going to be doing is going down and down. That's why we're spending this paper like toilet paper like no tomorrow. So guys, be smart. Also, if you want an exchange that you can trust, and our long trade is still up and it's making some money. So if you want an exchange that you can trust, use my exclusive link down in the description of this video and join Bybit with and if you use my link, actually, you can claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses, crazy giveaways, and also you can get my famous paid trading investing course, not my full trading program, but the investing course for free, and it's again claimable in my Discord. The link to the Discord is down in the description of this video. Join Bybit or BitGet, doesn't require any KYC, and you can get up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses. And guys, stay resilient, stay strong, and then maybe, who knows, we'll be on this baby together. All right, so stay smart. Check out this. Actually, this is gonna be a crazy video. First episode of my trading reality show, because we did one of the kind trading reality show in the world. So check it out right now. As always, peace and love, down, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.